Hello, edX 205 friends. This is your very brief asynchronous presentation for Thursday, March 11th. Hang on, let me get it into slideshow mode. Here we go. All right, so like I said, very brief. There's one thing to do in this presentation for this week, and it is to watch a TED Talk called The Danger of a Single Story. The link is here on the next slide, and I'm going to post this presentation separately from the recording so you can access it. I think it's somewhere under 20 minutes. It's not that long, 15 to 20 minutes. But Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is the woman's name. She does this amazing TED Talk, like I said, called The Danger of a Single Story. I actually watched this in one of my courses that I took last semester as a PhD student, and it just moved me, and it made me think of our course this semester. So I wanted you guys to see it too. So watch that. Next class, next Tuesday on the 16th of March, we will be talking about disability portrayal in movies and TV. So the next couple weeks is going to be kind of fun and very um, modern and in the moment for a lot of you. Not so much history, but like modern, present day stuff. So you need to read Longmore 2003 and Preston 2010, which are in this asynchronous module. DB, the discussion board post number 6 is due by next Tuesday, and be working on that final paper outline because it is due on the 25th. Have a great week.